Hi, I am Mateo and I live by the coast of Portugal.
Every morning, I wake before sunrise to the sound of waves.
I am a lighthouse keeper, responsible for guiding ships safely.
I climb its spiral stairs every day.
I clean the glass panels carefully.
I record weather conditions in my logbook.
At dusk, I turn on the powerful light.
The beam cuts through darkness and fog.
Storm clouds sometimes gather suddenly.
I stay alert, antique and steady.
Ships appear as small shadows in the distance.
Seagulls circle the tower in the early light.